Okay, 9:40. This is the house. Hi, are you Gretchen Mercer?
Yes. May I help you?
Oh, yeah. We found an old letter addressed to you.
Peter Griffin? Wow, this is from an old boyfriend.
What? Wow. Well, here's the nutty thing. Believe it or not, I'm actually married to Peter Griffin right now.
Huh, that is quite a coincidence. I wonder why he was writing me.
I see you move your finger along as you read. That's what little kids do.
Oh, it was nothing. He was just writing to say that he was excited about getting married and that he finally had enough camel cash to get a leather jacket and a pool floaty.
Huh. Well, thank you, Gretchen. I am very relieved. I was thinking the worst.
Oh, I understand, but you have nothing to worry about.
You're right. I guess jealousy's my weak spot. Everyone has one, even Achilles.
So you can only be injured on your Achilles tendon.
That's right. My mother dipped me into the river Styx and she held me by my heels, so that's the only part that can be injured. How about you, Testicles?
It's the same. It's similar.
Gretchen? Wow, you look great!
Yeah, I didn't have kids.
Oh, yeah, of course. But what the hell are you doing here? I haven't seen you in 20 years.
Peter, I finally got your letter. You know, the one where you said that you were having doubts about marrying Lois, and you still had thoughts about marrying me?
Gretchen, I wrote that a long time ago.
Well, my answer is yes, Peter. Yes, I will marry you!
Gretchen, I am already happily, moderately relative. I am married.
Oh, then I suppose your wife is entitled to know that you were still in love with me just days before your wedding.
Blackmail! Thank you, Cleveland. And I don't know what to call the thing you're doing to me, lady. Look, Gretchen, I know I wrote you that letter, and I meant it at the time, but it was 20 years ago. I may have had some doubts before my wedding, but what guy doesn't? And now I know I made the right choice marrying Lois.
Well, she's a lucky woman, and I'm sorry for what I said. I certainly don't want to cause any trouble for you. It's just that when I got this letter, it reminded me how sweet and funny you always were.
That's nice, but I should go. Thanks for not making fun of me for ordering a hot chocolate. And go ahead and look into Facebook, because this is kind of what it's for.
Wait, before we say our final goodbye, what do you say we have one last hurrah? I've got 2 tickets to a Ray LaMontagne concert tonight.
Oh, I'm not sure that's a good idea. It feels a little weird going out with another lady.
Oh, come on, Peter. I drove all this way. Let me go home with one last good memory, and then I promise you have heard the last of Gretchen Mercer.
Well, I should probably say no, but I've never been known for my good judgment.
Oh, Peter, you can take off your hat and jacket. It's not illegal for 2 old friends to go to a concert.
Yeah, I guess you're right. I mean, it's not like anybody I know would be at a Ray LaMontagne concert.
Peter! Where'd he go?
I'm gonna keep the hat on. I'm sorry, Gretchen. This was a mistake. I just feel too guilty being out with another woman. I can't do this to Lois.
I understand. Well, I guess there's no shame in coming in second, huh?
That's right. Except in, like, wars.
Aw, you are still funny, sweet Peter.
Yeah, I guess so. All right, I gotta go. The beard inspector's coming anyway.
Sir, where's your beard?
I'm leaving. I'm on my way out.